So Mamba Exploration is an ASX listed explorer, code M24. We listed in 2019 with 4 Western Australian, primarily gold and base metal assets. By the middle of last year, we'd essentially explored all 4 of those assets, being in the Kimberley, the Darling Range, the Ashburt, and down in Callirut Creek near Jerramungup. We'd had essentially exploration programs on all 4 of those. And like the exploration game we're in, we didn't find anything economic or anything we thought worthwhile expending a whole lot more money on. So we spent the second half of last year potentially looking around for other assets, reviewing what we had. We came across the Canary Uranium asset in sort of the latter half of 2023, and in mid-December signed an agreement with Standard Uranium, which is a Canadian listed company, to farm into a 75% stake in the Canary asset. We like the Canary asset. It's not greenfields, it's a bit more advanced. It's got drill ready targets on it. Standard's done a lot of work in building up those drill targets. So that was the attraction for the asset. It meant that we could raise money in mid-December as well through Canaccord, who did a fantastic job, raised 2.75, and that placement got complete in the latter half of January when we had the shareholder meeting. So we entered 2024 in pretty good shape. So this morning we put an announcement out to the market confirming that we've secured a drilling contractor to drill the Canary asset. This is important, an important milestone in that securing reputable service providers, particularly drillers, accommodation, helicopter. This is very remote drilling, requires helicopters, it requires people who've got experience in the Athabasca Basin. So in securing it with the assistance of Standard Uranium, a drilling contractor to drill the Canary asset is a significant milestone and shows our commitment to the asset. We've discussed this with our joint venture partner Standard Uranium and likewise with the drilling contractor, and in their view and with weather permitting and other work programs they have on, we think at this stage it'll be sometime in early May. We look forward to keeping the market updated, and thanks for taking the time to listen today.